Hi everybody and welcome to Rell's Art and Craft Studio. Hope you're all having an awesome day and thank you so much for tuning in. So today's project is a couple of boards, serving boards that I did, and also a large tile which you can use for a serving platter. I actually did the tile off camera so you won't see too much of that. And here are the amazing colours that I used, and of course the description of all of those will be down in the description box below. And so here we go. All I did is just put some of the colour left over from a previous painting I'd already done, and I'll have that link in another video. So we've just got a couple of the pinks and the blues and a copper colour I had left over. So I've just squiggled them down randomly, no real thought to where it was all going. And then, as I said, I still had a lot of colour still left over, and that's why I did had a tile sitting beside me, so I popped the rest of the colour on that. And then just blended the colours with my heat gun and moved them around a bit just to, make sure that the whole board was actually covered, which it was in the end. And the copper really shone through, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. And these serving boards, that you can be used for cheese platters or just serving boards, putting hot pots on top of them. And here's some of the close-ups of the colour, and as I said, that tile that I did off screen earlier. And I've taped the boards, but obviously it's still wet, so I haven't taken the tape off at this stage. But as you said, you can see that beautiful blend of colour on there. It's just magnificent, and that copper colour comes out, and the pinks and the blues, and they just sit so well on those boards. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and check out the description box for all the details of the products that I've used. And here's them dried. I've cleaned them up, taken the tape off, given them a little bit of a polish, and yeah, I'm really happy with the end results, and I think they turned out really well, and they'll make a nice little gift for somebody. As I said, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Have a great day. Bye for now.